Did you know that a single poorly written meeting minute can cost organizations thousands in misunderstandings and miscommunications? Imagine transforming simple documentation into a powerful communication tool that drives organizational clarity and action. Organizations are drowning in ineffective documentation that creates confusion, legal risks, and operational inefficiencies. Poorly written minutes and reports lead to miscommunication, missed accountability, and significant productivity losses. Decision-makers struggle to extract critical information, team alignment suffers, and important details get lost in convoluted, unclear documentation. Individual professionals face tremendous challenges in capturing and communicating complex information effectively. Many employees feel overwhelmed by the technical skills required to create clear, concise, and legally sound documents. They struggle with structuring information, capturing nuanced discussions, and presenting insights that drive meaningful organizational understanding and action. Our comprehensive training provides a breakthrough approach to professional documentation. Participants will master advanced techniques for capturing precise meeting details, writing clear and impactful reports, and creating documents that serve as valuable organizational assets. The program offers practical skills in language precision, information distillation, and strategic communication. The training delivers extraordinary outcomes for both organizations and individuals. Companies can expect improved communication efficiency, reduced misunderstandings, and enhanced decision-making processes. Participants will gain confidence in their ability to create high-quality documentation that captures critical information with clarity and professionalism. This is your moment to become a documentation master. Don't just record meetings. Transform them into powerful communication tools. Your ability to capture, communicate, and drive organizational understanding starts now. Seize this opportunity to elevate your professional communication skills and become an indispensable asset to your team.